Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Caravan headlight. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid shocks. Give the engine and bulb time to cool for at least 10 minutes before touching the headlight assembly. Wear gloves to protect the bulb from oils and your hands from cuts. Keep a clean rag and a small flashlight handy to spot fasteners and clips. Now let's walk through removing the old bulb step by step in a calm, clear way. Open the hood and find the headlight housing at the front corner of your Caravan. Remove retaining clips or screws and gently move the wiring harness aside so you can reach the bulb. Grip the bulb base, twist it counterclockwise, and pull it straight out from the socket. Set the old bulb aside for proper disposal and inspect the housing for damage. When installing the new bulb, stay relaxed and methodical to avoid mistakes or drops. Always hold the bulb by its base and never touch the glass, since oils from skin can shorten bulb life. Insert the bulb straight into the socket, twist clockwise until it locks, and reconnect the wiring harness securely. Replace any clips or screws you removed, then reconnect the battery negative terminal and test the headlight to confirm proper alignment and operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.